Welcome to DJ's Prestige and Sports. We've just had this Audi A3 1.2 SE arrive into stock. It's part exchange, not a usual stock, but I have to say it's had a lot of major work. It's had the timing chain done, new head on it, and it drives absolutely fantastic. We've just had it MOT'd, just had it oil filtered, and it drives extremely well. So we've decided to sell it. It's a bright turbo, fantastic engine, bodywork, absolutely lovely. There's just a bit of dirt on there, get that off. Alloys are in lovely condition, tyres all look good. Lovely boot area. Electric windows, electric mirrors, no wear on the bolsters either. Stereo all works, just started up. Starts up lovely, done 117,550 miles. 6-speed gearbox, locking wheel nut. There's no wear on it either, it's just, look at that, there's no wear on the buttons. Been very well looked after. Auto headlights. Cracking little car for someone. If you would like some further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.